I have already saved people because Enrico's alter ego is super policeman. I am living in the city of Girardot, but I just took the decision to go to another city. I finished my police career in 2011. That's rewarding, and I have had excellent teachers. I have finished 4 semesters and I have not filed material yet. I have been working in different cities and I have seen the beautiful of Colombia. I have traveled a lot for my work. That is excellent for me. I haven't studied for exam because I have had a lot of work. However, I meet heavy street a lot more. My friends and I, my student, the weekend, if good, a lot with